What's up, YouTube? Alright, so I'm back here with Bglancer. Unfortunately, I had a car accident, so that set me back. Yep, my shit fucked. Asshole drivers, man. Asshole drivers. But I got new pieces. Shout out to Pat Swayze for giving me his pieces from his car that blew up. So, yeah, it's the old radiator. Smashed up against the wall. And yeah, see that headlight smashed and this bar is fucked up. So, yeah. We're on a rebuilding process. Just got this new radiator, just put it in. So, I'm about to connect everything back up and I'll let you guys see when I'm finished. So, I'm putting in a radiator and I just find out that that one, where we check the coolant, has an extra port right there, as you can see. And then this one doesn't. So, I guess it was like an extra port for like cooling of the automatic transmission or whatever bullshit. But this is a manual transmission. I don't get that bullshit. Yeah, so this shit is rusted as fuck. And I gotta try and get this off. So, yeah. Alright, so I took that dreaded piece off. Time to connect back all the hoses like I did before. As you can see, everything's rusty. I feel like just removing all the rusty bolts, but that's way too much work. Probably just derust the chassis and whatever bolt I remove, just put new ones on. So, battery's working perfectly fine, even though it looks like shit, but yeah. Alright, back to the radiator. I'm trying to at least finish this today. Fuck, man. These fucking bolts are fucking annoying, man. These shit's screwing from the bottom. So now I gotta go under there. Fucking do the rest of this shit, man. I'm pretty sure the other side is the same thing. Now I gotta take the wheels off. Oh yeah. And I also found out that this piece is broken. That hole, it's just supposed to be on the other end of it, but I can't take the hose off that. So now I gotta order a new piece. Just an update for the radiator, but yeah, that has to be put on pause. I'm gonna try and do as much as I can to install the turbo parts, but yeah, I gotta take off the tire and get to those bolts, so yeah. Okay, so I got both wheels off. And yeah, if you're wondering what the jack stand, these are like 5-ton jack stands, like the ones that hold up buses and shit. Got it from my neighbor, so it's like the tool king. And this thing is just ripped apart. I'm gonna remove this. I don't know if I'll even buy a new one. But yeah, let me know if I should buy a new one. For whatever viewers I get. Yeah. So this accident was actually pretty bad. This whole fender was cut in half by the hood. And as you can see, the door can't even open all the way. See, it just doesn't wanna. Yep. It's fucked up, so. I'm not too worried about the fenders because I just got these Evo fenders. Hype. So, yeah. Oh, man. There's a lot of rusty work, man. A lot of rusty work. I'm thinking about just getting a whole new sway bar, front sway bar. So yeah, I'm gonna go find out what this bolt's looking like underneath, and yeah, I'll get back to you when it's off. Alright, so the bolt's still spinning. So yeah, I took off the fender to try and get that part done. Damn, that looks like poor quality right now. Whatever. So yeah, whatever bolts that break, got my handy dandy flame it tool. Awesome. So yeah, there's a broken bolt over there I gotta get to with the flaming tool. Awesome. Yeah, so I gotta get under here somehow and get that bolt. I think about holding it with rubber and spinning it from the top, or I might just cut it all together. I don't know. It's cooled down substantially, so this is pretty good to touch now. The other side, the same thing. I got one bolt, one stubborn one. I got two stubborn ones on this side. Is it? Yeah, I believe so. Fuck. Alright. Alright guys, well, it's day 2. And I almost got this strut bar off. Front strut bar, got that side off. Whole bunch of combinations of sawzawing and chiseling. It's my handy chisel right here. As you can see, I got one more bolt. This one's a bitch. It's always the last one. It's a bitch. But yeah, after I get this, I'm thinking about putting some D2 coilovers on her. And OEM Evil X strut bar. Seen it on the parts forum, so I was like, why not, right? Because this one's like rusted out. I mean, I could sand it down and paint it over, but nah. Matter of fact, that was Evo that just passed by. Holy shit. No, that sound anyway. Yeah, but yeah, I'm gonna give me an Evo X strut bar and some coils. Not too sure about the coils yet, but if I can find them for a good price, they're definitely going on. So, get back to you when this is off. So, with a whole bunch of hammering and chiseling, and I don't even know how long it's been for a while. I think it's been like an hour, maybe, chiseling this one bolt. But, yeah. Alright. Okay, so yeah, that bolt's still there, but I gave up on that. I'm actually doing something else. Gonna start my How to Turbo Your Lancer series. So anybody who wants to start watching, subscribe and stay tuned for all the great things I'm gonna do to my car. So that was a repair video. I'll have a put back together video soon. But yeah, that's it. Also, in addition, I also got the front bar off, but that bolt is still on there, right? Perfect shit. So I had to cut the whole shit off with a sawzall. Rusty parts, man, rusty parts. But I really think I'm getting coilovers now because those bolts are smashed. And why downgrade? Well, same grade actually. Might as well just get, you know, coilovers. Make it a plus, you know what I mean? Never downgrade or settle for what you have. Always plus.